Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out Isna Metronome MV. It just dropped just pretty recently, like at least 22 hours ago. Be sure to check out Dre Day, where I post all my gaming videos. I do play games also on Twitch at twitch.tv/DreGaming. Be sure to join the Discord. And yeah, subscribe to the Patreon. Follow the Patreon. Well, without further ado, let's check it out. Isna Metronome MV. Bow. Oh. I mean, I guess it has to do with the metronome itself. Oh. Okay. Where are we going? Oh, wow. Oh, look at her eyes. The clouds. Is it raining? I was about to say, is it raining upwards? That's crazy. Ooh, this is gonna be beautiful. Okay. Okay, tempo. The rhythm. Okay, metronome. Oh, she looks so pretty and blonde. Oh. Oh, interesting. Still a move. Okay. Hey. Metronome. Ooh. Okay, this is a bop. Breath. Again and again. They're finding like different types of music. Are they like trying to find the right piece? Oh, there we have it. That's so pretty. Oh, it disappeared. Are they in? Oh, they are in there. What an interesting breakdown too for the chorus. What an interesting dance as well too. Ooh, the color switch up. Like a metronome. Moving like a metronome. Ooh, she is slaying as always. Oh, she just captivated me. Bruh, she might be the bias. Ooh, okay, shake. What's happening? Oh, hand in the face and everything. Bow. Oh, that's crazy. Control. Moving like a metronome. Wow, the like embers going up of the flames. What? Who's that? I haven't kept up with the lore. Is that her like finding herself, her rhythm, and that's her metronome. If everybody didn't know what a metronome looked like. Isna Metronome. Wow, what an interesting breakdown, pre-chorus, the dance itself too. Even like that second half, like ending, like right before it ended, like right here. Wow. This is crazy too. All right. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Isna Metronome MV. Tell me what your thoughts on Isna in general. Like I've watched I didn't watch the full like survival show. I watched it like a good amount. I can't watch survival shows. They stress me out. But I got spoiled at KCON of who was like the final winners. And I was happy with it too. But what are your thoughts on Isna and how it's going? Put a comments down below. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're gonna check out GPP ATE! Exclamation point MV. I love the rings right here. It's very how do you explain that? Like very balloon S kind of lettering. I don't know, but last time I checked GPP, it was their debut, if I'm not mistaken, and I was like saying that their songs were good, but the music video production, like, it's been a minute. I've been tapped out for a bit because, you know, with the whole moving and everything. We're here now. Let's check it out. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Be sure to check out my gaming channel, Dre Day. Link in the description. Join the Discord. Join the Patreon. I do Twitch as well. Oh yeah, that's right. It's SM in Japan. Oh, they don't have English. Okay, okay, we got production. Ooh. Oh. Hey. Okay. Popping candy. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh. Nani desu? Taste, 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 taste. Okay, they eating. Got that crunch. That punch? Ooh. What? Is that real apple? Eight? Ooh, that dance is crazy. Taste, 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 taste. Oh, funky. I see, got that crunch. What does that even mean? I don't even know what that means. Obviously, I don't get the like English translation of it. Cutie, baddie, got that punch. I love the production in this though. The colorful vibes here too. Oh, breakdown. Here we go with the dance. Come on, hey, hey, oh, come on, get it, get it. Ah. What are we doing now? 5, 6, 7. Oh, hey. Taste. Ooh. I don't know what I'm doing, sorry. I was just into, ooh, okay. Did they get an 8? They did. 8 black, by the way. They're just doing ring around the rosy over there. Put a comments down below what you guys think of GPP ATE MV. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the links. Check out the links in the description down below. We got Dre Day for gaming videos. Dre Gaming, twitch.tv/Dre Gaming. If you want to watch me live on Twitch, we sometimes talk about K-pop. We talk about gaming, talk about anime. We talk about it all. Just come through and hang out with us. Got the Patreon. Be sure to follow there for free, or you can subscribe and support your boy. But we also have a Discord. Come and join. That's where I update all my like whatever's happening with me. If you want to get to know the community a lot better, join the Discord if you haven't. Link in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.